Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy candy without gelatin. To begin, gather your ingredients: fruit juice, sugar, and agar powder. Agar is a fantastic plant-based alternative that gives gummies their signature chewiness. It's crucial for achieving the right texture without any animal products. Make sure you have all your components ready before starting the cooking process. Next, let's prepare the base mixture. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of your favorite fruit juice with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir these together until the sugar begins to dissolve. Then, gradually whisk in 2 teaspoons of agar powder. It's important to mix thoroughly to prevent clumps. Once combined, place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Once simmering, continue to cook the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly. This ensures the agar fully dissolves and activates. After simmering, immediately remove the pan from the heat. Carefully pour the hot liquid into your desired silicone molds. Work quickly, as agar sets relatively fast. Allow the molded gummies to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes to begin firming up. For the final step, transfer your molds to the refrigerator and chill for at least 15 minutes. This helps them firm up completely and makes them easier to handle. Once thoroughly chilled, gently pop the firm gummies out of their molds. You now have delicious, homemade, gelatin-free gummy candies. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for several days or in the fridge for longer freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.